for joining us on this remarkable journey. Let's make this event one for the books. Good luck po sa inyo siya at maraming salamat po.
Once again, let's give our robust students a receiving pangatawan. And there you have it. Are you ready, guys? Handa na po ba? Again, by the way, say, our 5-kilometer run. Let's give again an acknowledgement.
Yung PAM run, dito yan sa PAM. May PAM run sila. 5150 yan.
City Office and the FERMO, Barangay Biyan, Barangay Balonanito, San Isidro, and also Barangay Poblacion.
Dito yan sa APAP, Freeport Area of Bataan.
The AFP, the APAP Public Safety and Security Department. Again, once again, maraming salamat po. And this morning, before we were busy with lang about sa pagtakbo, pero kailangan mag-enjoy tayo lahat. And I guess we are all ready to start our countdown this morning. Again po, I think we can proceed our countdown this morning, pero bago yung lahat, bago tayo tumakbo, bigyan naman natin ng isang malakas na palakpak yung bawat isa sa atin, yung sarili natin. Tungkol dahil sa pagising natin ng
Takbo, Panran, Area of Bataan. Freeport Area of Bataan, ayan.
Here we are today, tatakbo tayo and
ayun, 5 kilometer run pala to. 5 si administration Pangandanan, ayan.
Talaga namang nag-stretching na. No, may mga iba dyan nag-photo ko. And again, reminder, once natapos mo natin yung finishing line natin, do not forget to take your pictures.
So ayan, countdown na, ayan, countdown na.
Get your finisher medal. Well, that's a memorable one for each and every one of us. And also, we can proceed to the fact gym. Meron po silang ilan ng Arroz Caldo. So ako excited din ako kung bakit mamaya. No, wala ating Arroz Caldo dyan. And also, we can use our toilet in the fact gym po. Relationship, the more anniversary, our special day this morning, special event sa kanilang mga buhay. And baka meron po ba? Para bawigan muna natin ang isang birthday song nung bago tayo tumakbo. So I guess, ay meron po muna tataas na kamay. Ayan, wala naman. Meron po? Wala naman. Okay, sige. Kung wala naman po, again, while we are waiting, you are not allowed to run without wearing your race bibs po.
Ayun, 5 kilometer run, run ng APAP.
So I'm also excited to
Freeport Area of Bataan. Yan dito sa Marabeles.
Sa bawat isa. Kaso baka walang mag-welcome sa inyo dito mamaya.
So ayan, eksaktong alas 6 to, eksaktong alas 6, tatakbo sila.
Sasabayin niyo po ko mamaya sa ating countdown.
Kasi may price din yata to galing sa APAP. Countdown na, countdown. So ayan, nagpalipad na sila ng drone na yan.
No our medical personnel, para po i-assist po tayo at para po sa ating safety na rin. So, again, po if in case hindi mo natin matapos po yung run. At wala naman dito, as long as we can enjoy. Last 30 seconds po. Ayan. Malapit na po tayo matapos. I guess, kikilit na ako. Para hindi ako mataba ng mga talak mo.
Run, PAP Marabeles.
Last 20 seconds.
Dito yan sa Freeport Area of Bataan.
And sabay yung mga racing line po. Sabay-sabay po tayo bilang. Yan po, almost there. 10, 9,
yan, countdown na. Tatakbo sila.
6, kasama natin 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Starts now. Move on to our 5-kilometer runners and enjoy the fun run 2024. Again, for our order runners, remember that
Yan, PAP Panran 2024. Dito yan sa APAP, Freeport Area of Bataan. Ayan, 5 kilometer.
Again, galing pa lang po, we'd like to congratulate everyone and pasalamatan natin also for participating this morning. Ito sa lahat po ng buo-buo.